Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Samsung Tab Active3. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, click on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second device, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, tap on OK. And lastly, select Close in the white pop-up at the top. Nextly, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Nokia and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Now finally, you can select all of those categories available at the top of Nokia Device. And from those categories, pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of them, like for example, contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. After picking all of your files that you wish to send, you need to choose Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Samsung. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code to connect. You can also input this key into Input key section, and when you're done, click on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!